This video shows how to buy shares of Evogene Ltd, ticker EVGN, traded on NASDAQ, and offers a simple step-by-step example. Evogene is a biotech company focused on predictive biology and agri-biotech research. This guide is educational and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker EVGN to find Evogene Ltd quickly. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right listing for Evogene Ltd. Check details like the exchange and ticker symbol to be certain this is EVGN on NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and double-check order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.